Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix it is not found any file specified for ISArcExtract error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method on you just need to open up the game installation folder. Just copy the folder and paste it in another location. For example, I am pasting in desktop. After pasting the game folder in another location, just need right click on it and select rename option and just backspace it and name it as game, a full English letter guys. After that, double click on the game folder and install the setup and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome. Just need to search for DLL files and press enter. Scroll down and select dllme.com sign link. In DLL search, you just need to search for ISARC extract.dll. Click on it, and now the only one found. Click on it, and then select the download option. Select the select option and scroll down and select I am a human. Hide and select the unpaired shape in the image, and this is the one unpaired, and select the next option. Pair the shape the same, there is paired and select verify. After getting verified, select the start download option and it will download some. Select verify you are human. This verification is too long, it's scared. After that, it will start downloading. After getting downloaded, and select this folder icon, right click on the file we downloaded and select extract all. And select extract. After getting extract, and copy the DLL file and go to this PC, local disk C, Windows folder, find the system32, double click on it and paste over here. Select continue. After pasting it, go back to Windows and find SYS wow 64. SYS, double click on it, paste over here. If you get on option replace the file in the destination, you just need to select that option guys. After pasting it, just to close stuff here, and now you can install the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.